everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a haul from Grove Collaborative for this month, and I have some new items, or at least some new fragrance of some items. They are the special edition for this month, and so I'm very excited to share that with you. They're only offered through Grove Collaborative, so if you like what you see, you're definitely going to want to go and check out the Grove Collaborative website to order these scents. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, go ahead and stick around. Alright, so the scents that I was telling you guys about are from the Mrs. Meyers brand, and if you are not new to my channel, you know that is my favorite thing to buy from Grove Collaborative. Before I get started, I want to give you a little bit of information about what Grove Collaborative is. This video is not sponsored by them. I just really like them. I've used them for close to a year now, and I will continue to because it's a very convenient service and I love their products and their products price points. So Grove Collaborative is a company that I like to describe, they're like the Amazon Prime of cleaning companies. So every month you will get sent a box of your choosing of cleaning products. They also have all kinds of other products as well that you're definitely going to want to head over to the website to check out. But their products are good for you, good for the environment, and good for your wallet because you're gonna get this stuff at a little bit cheaper than you would by going to like the store or Target or any place like that. So Grove Collaborative, you pay just like you do with Amazon Prime, but rather than it being like $100, it's only $20 and you get a huge welcome gift. I was so excited when I first ordered and got this huge welcome gift. I thought it was too good to be true until I got it and I was like, this is amazing. The welcome gift alone pays you back for your subscription fee. So it's just amazing. I would highly encourage you to go and subscribe to this service. So for $20 a year, you can get onto their website and order as many cleaning products as you want, shipped directly to your door each month for free. If you are interested in doing that, and after you watch this haul, if it's something that you know it sounds great to you and you want to go and check it out, I have a referral link down below. I would really appreciate it if you would go and use that referral link because it helps me, it helps my channel, and it helps me to keep bringing you guys these types of videos. On that note, I would really love to thank all of you that have used my referral link. You guys are so sweet, and I just really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. This month, they introduced a new scent of this Mrs. Meyers, and it's in this compassion flower, as you can see right here. So I went ahead and if you're not new to my channel, you know I'm obsessed with lavender, and I always get the lavender, always, every time. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to switch it up this time. They have an exclusive scent just for Grove Collaborative. You can't get this anywhere else, and so I went ahead and I tried it out. This bottle's almost empty. We have almost used the entire thing. I kid you not, it took us only about a week to wipe this sucker out, and it's a very subtle scent. So if you have any type of scent allergies or anything like that, it will not bother you. Yeah, it's just very subtle. It's not one of those really heavily florally scents that you would expect from like a floral scent. Just very light note. It says, let me see if it has an exact, yeah, there's not really an exact scent that I can pinpoint for you, but again, it's called Compassion Flower. It's just a really subtle flower, kind of a sweet flower smell. So we got this. This is the Clean Day Multi-Surface Spray. I love this stuff to clean my countertops or anything really. Also in that scent, we went ahead and we got the hand soap. I do always get the lavender scent, so I thought I'd switch it up and get the hand soap. I do really like this. It leaves your hands smelling wonderful, but again, it's not overpowering. And I also got some dish soap. These three things are things that I order almost every single month because we go through them and I just love them, and I love the Mrs. Meyers brand. But I got the dish soap again in the Compassion Flower, and we haven't actually made it to using this yet because it's a really great size. We're still working on our lavender one right now, but when we do, they all smell pretty much exactly the same, and I really like the way that this stuff works. It's biodegradable. Again, it's good for you, good for the environment. I was wanting to try this Caldrea spray for a very long time. I have some friends that use it and they swear by it. It is $10, which to me, $10 is way too much to spend on something that you're just going to spray on your countertops to clean it. But I've been told how amazing it is, and so I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to splurge, I'm going to buy it and see how it is. And it does smell amazing. It smells really, really good. So if you're one of those people looking for a very heavily fragranced spray that is like a more of a natural product, then I would highly, highly recommend this Caldrea. So it just says Caldrea, aromatherapeutic housekeeping. This one's Tangelo Palm Frond, and it's a countertop spray. It does smell really good. They do have several different fragrances in this. I don't think that I would repurchase this every single month just because $10 is a lot, and I like this Mrs. Meyer's spray just as much or better, and it's less than half the cost of the Caldrea spray. So I would recommend Mrs. Meyer's over Caldrea as far as price goes. I also have that fragrance allergy to where I can't do really heavily fragranced things, and this is kind of right on the line of being a little bit too scented for me, but it does say that it's natural and that it is scented with essential oil. Now that I'm sitting here looking at the ingredients, it does say that it does have added fragrance perfume to it. So that right there, I can tell you, is what was bothering me. So if you're one of those people like me that can't handle that, you might stay away from the Caldrea. You might just stick with the Mrs. Meyer's, but it does work great and it does smell wonderful. And the last item that I got this month, I actually got this for free, which that's another amazing thing of being a VIP of Grove Collaborative, is that you can get free items every month. Well, almost every month. You can get like a free offer for a free item or whatever it may be just for being a VIP member, which is signing up for that $20 a year membership fee with free shipping. I got these walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. It's a 2-pack, and I really like these a lot because they are the walnut. They are, again, good for you, good for the environment. But yeah, we buy a ton of sponges every month, and so to get these for free, I was really excited. I'm excited to try them. If I like them, this may be something that I purchase a lot every month. So that's all the items that I got this month, you guys. If you are new to my channel, I have a lot of other Grove Collaborative videos that you definitely are going to want to go and check out. The last video I did was 7 months worth of product review from Grove Collaborative. So definitely go check out that video if you want more of an insight on products and price points and stuff like that. But I would highly encourage you to try out Grove Collaborative. You can try it without buying into it. All you have to do is go down below into my description box. I will have a link where you can sign up. You'll get free gifts just for signing up, and you'll get a free trial of the free shipping and everything like that before you decide if you like it or if you don't want to buy that membership fee or not. But thank you guys so much for sticking with me until the end. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and make sure you hit the button twice. That way you get notified when I upload new videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!